Welcome to Modular Hippo, the channel where I'm building a 36-foot aluminium sailboat from scratch. This little short is about the hard dodger, and a question to you is that if you could design your ultimate hard dodger, what features would you incorporate into the hard dodger itself? I've ordered the material for the hard dodger, but I realized that there's so much more to the hard dodger than just a hard dodger. So, question. Worth mentioning is that I am aiming to live on the boat as well as be able to do cold water sailing and as much adventure sailing as possible. So with that said, in the design, I guess grab rails is a no-brainer. I've seen grab rails on the sides and the aft side only, mostly. Would anyone think that maybe it should also be on the bow side? Not sure. So your input here is very much appreciated. Windows, we have acrylic plexiglass, which is good if you have curves. In this design, the hard dodger don't have curved windows. So I've heard a lot of people say that real glass is far superior when it comes to visibility. The question is, can real glass take the impact of a strong wave? Is it impact resistance enough? So if you have any ideas or any views around the window material, then I appreciate a comment on that one as well. On the same note, window wipers. So I've read that in bad weather conditions and in snow, then window wipers are good. If you go back to the material, acrylics and plexiglass is not suitable for use with window wipers. Unless you have very soft rubber, they can still scratch after a while. So your experience view on that one is also appreciated. Internal lights. I read somewhere that you can have white or red light within the actual hard dodger, or maybe be able to switch between both. Would you say that internal lighting is needed? Have you had internal lighting on a hard dodger before, and what's your view on that? And then we have external lighting, so floodlights that sits on top of the dodger and pointing towards the deck, that in night time can help with visibility, or maybe a floodlight that also points towards the aft and the cockpit itself. Would you say that is something that would be beneficial? If so, I will incorporate that into the design as well. And finally, solar panels. If anyone have solar panels on their hard dodger or any experience around solar panels and sailboats in general, then any feedback on that point would be highly appreciated as well. Thank you for watching. As always, I super appreciate your comments and your ideas and your knowledge around the topics. So feel free to post something in the comments if you have any ideas around the topics we've covered. Another thing as well is that if you want to follow the actual build of this boat, then feel free to subscribe, like and share, and anything that might help the channel to move forward. Thank you very much.